was driving during a deadly hit-and-run crash. And now a retired police officer will spend the next 1 to 2 years behind bars. Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reporter Bob Mayo was in the courtroom for today's sentencing, and he joins us with what the victim's sister is saying about that punishment.
The retired county cop who did not stop when he hit and killed a woman with his Jeep said nothing in court today as he was sentenced. The sister of the woman who was hit and killed had plenty to say in court. 65-year-old Timothy Tatters retired from county police in 1993. In January of 2013, he hit 56-year-old Lorraine Wilkes with his Jeep while driving home from a bar where he'd spent 11 hours. He said he thought he hit a dog or deer, not a person, until he saw the news the next day. By then, any alcohol was out of his system and his blood could not be tested.
The man, he just did what he did and left her. And it was despicable. It was cowardly. And there's nothing that he can do. He never said anything. He didn't apologize.
I don't think that there's anything that he could have said that would have made them happy. So he's better to say nothing than upset them any further.
Wilkes' sister, Norma Thomas, spoke in court to the judge on behalf of the victim's family.
Yes, he could have called 911. He could. There was a hospital within 2 miles, less than 2 miles from the accident. It's a crime what he did. He left. There's no reason for it. He did it. And he has to live with that.
Tatters is sentenced to up to 2 years in prison, then 8 years probation. Defense attorney Scott Lautner points to Tatters' 21 years with county police and military service in Vietnam.
My sister's gone. I could reach out and touch her. I could come and see her. I can't do that anymore. It's gone forever.
Tatters is already in jail. The judge sent him there when he entered into his plea agreement. At the county courthouse, Bob Mayo, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.